Cat owners know the struggle all too well. Fleas. These tiny pests not only irritate our feline friends, but can also infest our homes if left unchecked. While commercial flea treatments are readily available, many pet owners prefer natural remedies due to concerns about chemicals and potential side effects. Fortunately, there are several effective natural solutions for combating cat fleas, helping both your pet and your peace of mind. Here's our countdown on the 8 best natural remedies for cat fleas. 8. Regular grooming. Regular grooming is key to preventing and managing flea infestations. Brushing your cat's fur daily helps remove fleas and their eggs, preventing them from multiplying. Additionally, grooming allows you to spot any signs of fleas early on, enabling prompt action. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile natural remedy with many health benefits, including flea control. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your cat's fur, avoiding the eyes, nose, and mouth. Fleas dislike the acidic environment created by the vinegar, making it an effective deterrent. 6. Diatomaceous Earth. Diatomaceous earth is a fine powder made from fossilized algae that is safe for humans and pets but deadly for fleas. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth lightly on your cat's fur, bedding, and other areas frequented by your pet. The powder penetrates the flea's exoskeleton, causing dehydration and death. 5. Essential oils. Certain essential oils have natural flea-repelling properties. Dilute a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender, cedar wood, or peppermint, in a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to your cat's collar or bedding. Remember to use essential oils cautiously and sparingly, as cats are sensitive to certain scents, and always dilute them properly to avoid irritation. 4. Flea-Repellent Plants. Incorporating flea-repellent plants into your home and garden can help deter fleas naturally. Plants such as lavender, rosemary, and mint release scents that fleas find unpleasant, making them less likely to infest your surroundings. Plant these herbs in pots or garden beds near areas where your cat spends time. 3. Regular vacuuming. Fleas can lay eggs in carpets, upholstery, and other soft furnishings, so regular vacuuming is essential for flea control. Vacuum your home thoroughly, paying particular attention to areas where your cat likes to rest. Empty the vacuum cleaner bag or canister immediately to prevent fleas from reinfesting your home. 2. Flea Comb. A flea comb is a simple yet effective tool for removing fleas and flea eggs from your cat's fur. Comb your cat's fur gently, paying special attention to areas where fleas tend to hide, such as around the neck and tail. Dip the comb in soapy water after each stroke to drown any fleas caught. 1. Proper hygiene. Maintaining proper hygiene for your cat and its environment is essential for preventing flea infestations. Wash your cat's bedding regularly in hot water and keep your home clean and clutter-free to minimize flea habitats. While natural remedies can be effective for managing flea infestations, severe cases may require professional intervention. Consult your veterinarian if you notice persistent flea problems or if your cat shows signs of discomfort or allergic reactions. To summarize, natural remedies offer a safe and effective alternative for managing cat fleas without resorting to harsh chemicals. By incorporating these remedies into your cat care routine and maintaining a clean living environment, you can keep your feline friend flea-free and happy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.